We're out enjoying our last meal for the night. Well, Michael will enjoy it, but I am full. I can't eat anything else right now. Okay, I'm not even gonna get another drink because I don't think I'll be able to survive the night without, yeah. He ordered me some shrimp, something small, and we got fettuccine. I am about to sleep. Literally so good. These pillows are super soft and I'm super tired. I am looking forward to our day. We are gonna be getting into some activities today. I mean tomorrow. Day 2, about to get some shots.
Doce. No.
Day, how do you say day in Spanish?
Mañana? No.
Day 2 in Cancun. We're gonna get some shots going. And we're gonna head out to the pool. And maybe we should go to the beach and maybe just walk around a little. Shot.
Tequila.
Ready? For our shot of Herradura. Salud.
Salud.
Go be your best.
First Mexican tequila. Tequila 1, tequila 0.
Take 2. Are these coffee beans? Dried cranberries. This is a nice jar. Might be it might be coming home with me.
No, do not put that on YouTube.
This would be perfect for like a little propagation. You put little holes in the top. These are nice jars, dude. You can eat out of them. Put a little meal prep like chia seed pudding or overnight oats. If you know, you know. They know what I'm talking about. The girlies know.
I don't.
Another one? Another one.
Toast to a great day on the resort. And like you said, great food, great vibe. Salud.
Salud.
Sure. Oh, I suppose.
Relationship to grow. They tell me to trust a woman in this industry, but she not any woman, more like a sacred friend to me. Plus when I'm out of town, always think of her. Might conversate with some chicks, but no one come above her. I thought I was your man, guess you ain't understand. And now I'm sitting here looking crazy, like damn.
How do you feel being in another country, like outside the United States? Like you're in a foreign land.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel incredibly blessed.
Blessings.
To be here. Definitely like days leading up to this vacation, I was just thinking about how many people like don't leave their hometown, their home state, and like let alone the country. So I'm really grateful and blessed to be able to be here and to be here so carefree. I think the key to us being able to hit the tennis ball back and forth is for you to not try to get me out. Like, don't try to win.
Don't try to win.
Yes. Bye, gracias. This is our territory for the next hour. Starting our tennis workout.
I 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. We'll be right back. Call me when you wanna get back. 20 man Turner with the racks. I be P on my back, double G's on my dash. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. You wanna get, you can't get no higher than this. No, cause love don't get no higher. I grind when I pull up this change your mind. You're mine when I step on the scene, man. Can't wait to back it up. Your head still a dope, but it ain't back enough. I'm supplying my man, I'm in demand. Soon as I land, just know I roll with them goons. In case you start acting familiar, this kind of love, big binges, whole slab I kill for. Know that booty gon' do what it want to. They ain't hit it one time, multiple. I know you see this red on me.
Day 4 of our vacation, and we are waiting for our transportation. We're gonna go off the resort a little bit and do some excursioning. This is probably one of the top things that I'm excited for. How about you? Yeah.
ATV.
Riding ATVs. I think there's a zipline and a cenote that we can jump in.
See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I won't keep running back to you.
Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Think I found my strength to finally get up and leave. No more broken heart for me. No more telling your lies to me.
Here's another one.
Looking like I got my head on right, so now I see. No more giving you everything. There's no more taking my love from me. See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Well, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more. I won't keep running back to you.
Right, we are back on the resort. The excursion was super fun. And we are headed to the spa, which is super well needed right now. I'm feeling sore. Michael's been feeling sore.
Thinking about what you do, there's no more. Me running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I won't keep running back to you.
Some say the X make the sex spectacular. Make me lift you from your neck to your back, then you're shivering, tongue delivering, chills up that spine. That ass is mine. Skip the wine and the candlelight, no crystal tonight.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, and you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue?
So we just made it to our romantic dinner in the wine cellar.
What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy.
Got a little sweetness to it. Yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my
well, that wraps up our vacation vlog. I'm so glad we went to that silent party. That was really fun. I usually don't dance, especially not in public, but having the headphones in, it just like makes it a lot more comfortable, because I guess everybody's gonna dance to their own beat, and like no one would know if you're off beat or like whatever. You're really in your own world. So that was a lot of fun. Whole trip was very fun. I'm so grateful to have had this trip. I'm so grateful for my love, and thank you all for watching. Good night, like and subscribe.